Marshmallows.
Here they come!
That's it. Oh!
I see him. 1, 2. Carl!
Oh!
Dude, it's so close.
Logan, here's the prime bottle.
You got it. You got it.
You got it.
Prime, baby.
Let's go!
Of course, when it's prime, he catches it.
And for the last night in the city, we made a campfire in the amphitheater to wind down.
All right, everybody. What was your favorite part of the video? Well, it's actually going to be leaving.
I enjoyed the friends I made.
Yeah.
I enjoyed toppling the dictatorship.
Why is he the mayor? Enjoy your dictatorship.
I don't quit, bro. It's too much work.
My favorite part was just dragging all these YouTubers to the middle of nowhere, deep underground, and forcing them to hang out with me. It was a lot of fun. I'm grateful for you all coming out.